Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Lace Front, and so just jumping right into the video, I'm going to show you guys how I did a short blunt cut on this hair. Right now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like beforehand. I parted it in the middle because it was in a side part, so I parted it down the middle, and now I'm just using my hot comb to flatten the part a little bit just so the cut can be pretty even. And now I'm just parting the hair into sections so I can cut section by section. And now I am combing the hair into place, trying to figure out exactly where I want to cut the hair. So I'm gonna start my first cut. So this can be my guideline throughout the whole cut. And I'm pretty much going to go around the whole head all the way up until the top of the head till I, finish cutting everything. I'm just gonna go around the head and just cut it into a blunt cut. And now I'm just cutting the front of the hair just to make sure that everything is even all the way through. And I'm just going around the head one more time and just cleaning up anything that I feel like I missed. Okay, so now I'm parting the hair more like in the back nape section. I'm just leaving that out. And now I'm going to take a few sections and point cut. So I'm going to cut vertically. And that is just to take some of the weight out of the hair in the back, because I don't know if anybody's ever run into the problem where they cut longer hair like really short. It's pretty dense and thick in the back, so I'm just taking that bottom half and kind of point cutting and thinning out the back a little bit so that it's not so thick back there. And I'm mostly doing that towards the back, not really the sides or the top. And this is what the hair looked like after I cut it. I did try it on and I decided I wanted to be a little bit shorter, so I ended up cutting it again. This is what it looks like shorter. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like after I cut it. So I cut the hair not because it was like stiff or anything like that. It still has a lot of body, but I cut the hair, and I'm just only saying that because people always say that you cut your hair, like if your hair is stiff or if it's not moving, you want a new hairstyle, it's getting old, you cut the hair into like a bob or a blunt cut and you got a whole new style, which is true, but that's not why I cut my hair. I just cut it because I believe that straight hair looks a lot better on me when it is shorter, like shoulder length or like a nice bob. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like afterwards. If you guys liked the video, if it was helpful for you guys, make sure that you like this video, share this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.